Hi guys!
Hi guys!
This is the Kitchen
And
Fairy
this is
and
the TV Fun Time.
Baby G from TB Fun Times, and today we have, show them,
Cookies.
cookies!
We all just going
One
to show
second.
them
Chocolate strawberry
that. No,
cookies.
I was going to say
Okay,
that.
Mama
Strawberry cookies.
Chocolate and strawberry cookies.
I want to eat them.
They are nice on the outside, like crunchy on the outside, but soft in the center. Oh, someone's licking the finger. I'm gonna show you how to make them. They're pretty simple, and they were using the strawberry preserve that I made the other day. Yeah. So I don't have the video for that one, but I will be including the recipe for the preserve on the description. But for now, just watch how I made these very nice strawberry and chocolate cookies that are good.
I want the chocolate.
Just like biscuits, and also it has this texture of biscuits, and also it has the texture of what is that called, scones. So
Yeah.
I'll see you soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, I almost forgot to say, because they are like scones and also biscuits, they are on the cakey side.
Yeah,
So they are crispy outside and soft in the middle.
Yeah, and I forgot to say they're like strawberry cookies.
They are strawberry cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. For these cookies, you will be needing 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, a generous pinch of salt, about maybe 1/4 teaspoon, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. You will also need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half cup packed of strawberry preserve. I will be including the recipe on the description. 1/3 cup of lukewarm water, and 1/3 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. Now we want to mix the dry ingredients. Make a well in the center, and then you want to add the vegetable oil, followed with lukewarm water. Mix that first, and then we'll be adding the preserve. Mix that a little bit like that. Now we add the preserve, and you want to mix this completely combined. That it's combined, we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. Oh, I think I made a mistake. I can't remember whether I said it was for the oil. Did I say 1/4 or was it 1/3? I think it was 1/4, so maybe I didn't make mistakes. Forgive me, sometimes I'm forgetful. You want to mix the chocolate chips. Forgive me, sometimes I don't really do what I say because I am only using one hand, not with my tripod. I'm so lazy setting it up. And then with the cookie scoop, we're gonna drop about 2 scoops per 1 cookie. It is, of course, depending how big you want your cookie to be. 1 scoop is actually enough, but if you want it larger cookie, 2 scoops per 1 cookie. If you see that it's a bit small, you can add more. I'm just gonna press it lightly so it won't be too fat, like me. It's ready. We're gonna bake the cookies for about 15 to 17 minutes.
And makes it crunchy and soft. Yeah.